Hello guys, in this video I want to show you what is the power consumption of LEDs of your GPUs. Now my LEDs are turned off. Now let me show you the power consumption. It is 150 watts. All lights are off. I'm using Thundermaster to control the lights. Here on Lightning, RGB control. I will use Rainbow. And now I'm going to activate it on all 4 GPUs. All lights are on. The first GPU is Gainward Phantom and it doesn't have LEDs on the front. And the power consumption is 163 watts. This is 4 watts per GPU. Now let me show you in the dark. I really like these LEDs, but it's consuming some watts. Yeah, it's not much, but if you have 100 GPUs, you are saving 500 watts. But maybe if you have 1, 2 or 5 GPUs, it will not be a problem to leave them on. If you want to see more mining videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.